Today, I am going to help you learn. We're going to be doing some dot drawing, crayon drawing, and even painting. I hope you try your best to learn the step-by-step crafts I'm going to be helping you with today. For our first craft, you're going to need 2 blue markers, an orange marker, and a dark marker of your choosing. We're then going to take one of our blue markers and we're going to start making a small circle of just dots. We're just going to take our pen and keep making dots. And then we're going to create a bigger circle, a slightly bigger circle underneath. Blue markers. And then we're going to create another even bigger circle underneath. We're just going to keep tapping up and down and up and down. You can add different colors. It's going to be a snowman when we're done. But you can make your snowman pink, orange, black. You can mix up colors. You can make an orange and pink. Then after, you're going to have to take your dark color marker and you want to make a hat. This isn't the best. And then you want to make a hat. Then you want to make a top. Want to make some eyes. Give it a thing. Don't forget the nose, the most important part. Why is that going on? So you want to add a nose. And you can add a scarf if you want to add another color. See another example of one of my snowmans? Here's another one. This one is more scenic. It has snow falling. For this craft, you're going to need a few other materials. You need your crayons, your paper, and this time you're going to need your wand, because in order to open up the crayons, you're going to have to say, "Open sesame," and then tap it 3 times. After you tapped it, you now have all your crayons. First, you're going to have to find your greenest crayon. For your first step, you're going to be drawing an oval. For your next step, you're going to be drawing 2 lines, one right there, and then you're going to loop around. For your next step, you're going to do another loop around. You're then going to do your final loop around, so you should have 3. Then you're going to add a little tail. You're then going to add 2 eyes, a mouth, and a tongue, and you should be done. You can color it any way you want. For our last activity, it's probably going to be your favorite. We're going to find some paint and a paintbrushes and some paper. I want to find the paint, and I want you to just squirt a little bit on a piece of paper, only a little bit. First, I want you to find a piece of paper, I want you to find some paint, and I just want you to squirt it on the piece of paper. Then, I want you to find a paintbrush, and you can start moving the paint around as you wash. As you start moving the paint around, it should start looking something like this. But I want you to cover all the white areas. When you're done, your paper should look something like this. I hope you enjoyed learning today.